Hello friend, today we are discussing database encryption. How to enable encryption on a database, and after that we will see how to enable column level encryption on a database. For that we have created a table, and there is a account. We are creating an employee table, and there is account detail. So we just encrypt that account detail. So let's start. So just copy the script from here. Well, I have already built a script. So I just copy the script. Paste it here. So first we just create a database. Database is created. Now I'm just inserting the data in that database. There is a customer info table. You can see that record from here. So there is a bank account detail. Now we can just create a master key for the encryption. So choose that master one and create the master key. Okay, you can just see that key from here. Okay, so master key created. Now I'm just creating a certificate here. You can see the certificate from this command. Here the certificate is created. Okay, now using this certificate I am creating a database encryption key, and now finally just enable the encryption. You can check out the encryption from here. Just refresh it. Just click on the right click on option property, go to the option. Here you can see that encryption is enabled. So once the encryption is enabled, it encrypt the log of database, TMDB and backup. So you can see the encryption. If you want to see how to check that it is, so there is a DM views for that. You can here database ID 2 is used for TMDB and 6 is this one. You can see from here like so 2 is used for TMDB and 6 is used for custom. So if you just execute this command, you can find out that both encryption state is 3. 3 is, it means it is encrypted. Okay, so now if we generate the backup, then we need to, suppose I just taken the backup, then the backup is encrypted. Okay, so now I'm doing one more thing here. I'm going to encrypt the database column also. So for that I just copy the another script from here. I will share this script also so that it is, so we have created the database. Okay, now I already create a master key which is created on a master database, but here now I am creating the key in custom data. I created the key. You can check out that this is the master key. Now certificate, use the different certificate. You can see my cert db, use this, and subject it, just use the customer data. I think just put this comment, customer data label. Just this is created. You can check out this. It is, the certificate name is my cert db. Space it here. Okay, sorry, this is the key to put the certificate here. So I'm just creating a symmetric key. You can, these all thing is happening on the custom database. So just check out, this key is created. Now I'm adding one more column on the custom table. Earlier, if you can check out that there is a select star from custom info. You can see that there is only 1 2 3 3 column. Now add this one more column here, so you can check out that one more column, it's a blank. So now the certificate, just change the certificate name here, my cert db, just put the certificate name. Open the symmetric key using decryption here, and we put the encryption is happen. So here you can check the encryption update, it updating this one. If you just check out that it is encrypted here. Now just drop the existing column. You can check out again here that bank detail column is deleted now. Okay, so here if you just check out, date the key here. Open the certificate and you can see the data using this decryption key. Yeah, okay. So now I am taking the backup of this database. So before take the backup of this database, what I did, I just generate the certificate backup first. So for certificate backup, I've just used the master database. Okay, and you can give the command 234 password here. So certificate is generated. Let's check out that BKP. Change the location here, BKP and BKP. So certificate is generated here. Now I'm just taking the backup. So I'm executing the command is successful. You can check out the backup is generated. So now do one thing. Now I'm just restore this certificate and this data to my another instance. So I just copied it and try to paste it on another location. This is my, just paste it. Okay, it is pasted here now. So now just connect my secondary instance first. So right click and restore the database. Just see what happened. I try to restore this first database, customer data. Check mark. Okay, just see what happened. Not able to restore. Now just connect it, master database, and first verify the backup. So here it is giving error, cannot find the server certificate with thumbprint. So don't have the certificate, so that's why it is giving the error. So now just see the certificate first. There is no certificate, and even there is says start. There is only the master key here. So first what we do, first we have to just create the master key, and there is already a master key. So either we can modify the password or just drop it and again recreate the master key. After that we can create the certificate from backup file. So the best way is to do, we just if we creating the master key, it is giving error. If we try to create the master key what we earlier created, like this one, oh sorry, here we created the first. So if we try to create it, it is giving error. Oh, created, it's a good thing. So now I can check out here, master key is created. Now we restore the certificate. So restore the certificate, we creating the certificate from backup, because we have the certificate backup here. So we already have a command for this to create the backup from certificate. So we just do this. Here create certificate, this is the certificate name and the file is this, and here we have to put the same password. Earlier while generating we put the password, for backup we have while generating a backup we have SQL 1 2 3 4 5 6, we have just put the password. So same password we have used, SQL @1 2 3 4 5 6. Now just change the path here, past VKP. Okay, so after that you can just, it is verified. So you can restore that database. So now just right click, restore from device, attach, just backup, custom, okay, just go to this one and restore it. Now backup is restored here. Earlier unable to restore the backup, but now here backup is restored. Okay, so now check a database backup label. Select a star from sys dot symmetric underscore key. So you can find out this is that symmetric key, this is the master key for this database. And if you want to check the certificate, the database level, sys dot certificate, check out the certificate. The certificate is there. And if you check out the certificate at here, it's the only database level. If you check out the certificate at here, the master database, here the master key, and you can just go down, there is a different certificate. Okay, so now if you want to check out this, like, just close it here. If we just open, try to decrypt it, like this command, if we fire, if we execute, try to decrypt it, because if you just execute this one, we are only able to see the decrypted data, right? So just open the symmetric key and just put it here. So it's giving the error that please create a master key and all this, although we already see that it is available here. So just come to this point here. Oh, sorry, this one. Here, when we performing the database encrypt, we have just create the password, this one, the same password we have used for master as well as customer data. So here we need that password, just copy it. Okay, just put it here and do one thing. We just do one thing here. Open master key decryption by the password. We use the same password here. Put the same password, it is all the same one. Paste it and just open it. It is executed successfully. Now just open the, if you just see that you are getting same result, but when now you are just executing this command, you got the actual result. So in this way we can decrypt and we can once the database is encrypted, if you can see here also, it is already encrypted here. So database is encrypted and we are performing a column based encryption also. So that's end of this session, and please check at your end, and if you have any question, I will share this script also which will help you. Thank you guys.